What's up, guys? What's up? I think we have some live SpaceX charts running. So let's have a peek at that. I'm going to show my chart here in just a sec. And let's see how this does. Okay, I'm bringing up a SpaceX chart. It's moving. It's scooting. Hold on here just a sec, folks. I think we got some stuff going. Okay. Let me just pull this up real quick here. Okay. One momento. I think we're in business. All right, guys. Okay, SpaceX is cruising. It's making a move. I'm going to show my screen here right now, and let's see where this chart starts to go for us. Give me 2 seconds. I think we can just show the whole screen here. Okay, here's SpaceX. It's running. So day one of trading, we could probably take this over to a 1 minute chart and kind of see how that's starting to shake out. Looks like so the IPO came online at kind of the expected here, which was at least the first bit of feed we have is about 150. So it's up, to 160. I think it officially started trading at 135. But anyways, it's running, it's moving, it's going. There are going to be some ways to trade this. And that is always the question, is exactly what do we do with that? I think, I'm an options trader by nature, by my typical trading styles. So I think it's going to be a little bit tricky, to be buying $150 or $60 stock on its first day of trading and kind of seeing some crazy stuff happening there. Will be a little bit wild. The spread's pretty good, pretty normal. I mean, it's a little bit of a bigger spread, 30, 40, 50 cents. It's not nothing. Obviously, liquidity is going to take a little bit to catch up and kind of get this going. But I would love to trade options on it. I don't think that we can yet. Options will probably be available maybe early next week. So anybody that feels like day trading this, eat your heart out. Elon Musk officially is a trillionaire. Okay. All right. Let's go, Mr. Musk. I think what everybody is kind of looking for on this kind of thing here is, everyone's kind of looking, is SpaceX going to run up a bunch today? Is it going to run up a bunch tomorrow? And then what, right? Does it start working its way back down? Is it going to excite enough people that, that get sucked into kind of some of these highs, and then it's down at, $100, 100 and 10, 20, 30. I mean, how much is this going to drop? Obviously, a lot of anticipation here. This is running It's going. It's hoping for a massive debut, which I think it's certainly on its way to having. I'm watching this as far as kind of on my broker platform. Again, there's no options to be traded here, which is kind of a bummer. And those will come, in the next couple of days. It takes options a little time to get figured out and get that going. Um, $75 billion haul. Just make a quick 75 billion. Um, all Elon Musk had to do, that's crazy. He just had to create electric cars, a rocket ship company, satellite based internet, and a few other things to make $1 trillion. That seems reasonable. This is certainly interesting. Um, but we're just kind of watching it. I mean, at this point, it's just making its way to broker platforms. So there's probably still some platforms out there that don't have access to SpaceX feed. It's barely on charts. It's barely kind of doing all this stuff. Certainly interesting to watch it on kind of the 1 minute chart. It's kind of from its debut here up about 10%, give or take. Let's just double check on that. Yeah, we're just, low to high, 10, 12%. Um, and away we go. So let's see what this does over the next couple of minutes. Again, the best, safest way to trade this kind of a thing, in my humble opinion, is with a defined risk option trading strategy. Something where, worst case scenario, you kind of know what you're in for. Right now, buying $166 stock, who knows what could happen? A lot of potential upside, a lot of risk. So I'm just sitting here and watching this, and I'm looking to see. I'm looking at all the bid ask feeds, all those details, kind of see where this thing might be headed. Um, but I want to see kind of just how this shakes out and what we see happening here. Feel free. Anybody that has questions, comments, just make sure you kind of expand this window and you'll see the chat area for X. Feel free to type in any questions, comments, thoughts. Let's see what let's see what everyone has to say about everything while we let this play out. I'm watching broker spreads. That's crucial. It kind of continues making its way all over the place here. Ooh, there we go. This is gonna be pretty interesting. I'm curious. Has anybody bought 1 share, 5 shares, 10 shares? Anything? This is certainly an interesting little situation we have here. Bumping around a lot. I wonder how hard this will be to get filled. Wow. So just in case anybody is wondering, according to my broker platform, SpaceX has just hit in the several minutes that it has been trading, 150 million shares traded already. That is wild. Interessante. Okay, I'm just looking at some numbers here. Just crossed 150. So there's buying, there's selling, there's a little bit of everything. If you look at it on the daily chart, this is my go-to. 168 high, but let's keep an eye on it on the minute chart and just see this thing start to print some data for us. Are you guys all able to? We'll give this a minute to get going here, but is everybody able to comment? I can't remember if I enabled comments. What do I have going there? But we're live. We're watching. And can everybody comment? You guys have access to that. I'm definitely interested in hearing some thoughts, some questions, some details. Let's see how this thing goes. Give me two seconds. Okay, guys, we're seeing some light liquidating here. Pretty interested. All right. Just watching. I'm just watching a little bit of everything here. Um, anybody have any guesses? What do we think might be coming for? What do we think might be coming for the? Oh, did my live freeze? Oh, there we go. It's back. We're back. What do we think might be coming in the next little bit? Is SpaceX headed below its IPO price? What do you guys think? Let's run a poll. I just sent a poll out. We'll see what everyone's looking at. I think my screen's a little bit delayed on our live event here because looks like it's coming down pretty aggressively. We're headed into lows here or into opening prices, but lows of the day for sure. Let's see how this plays out. Is SpaceX headed into lows? Interessante. The other thing I'm curious about. What do you guys think? Do we have some opportunity here on RKLB? This is kind of a proxy trade of sorts. RKLB has been selling pretty hard today with SpaceX news, so down 12%. Oh, RKLB to join the NASDAQ June 22nd. That's excellent. Market cap 58 billion. All right. So RKLB's taken a little bit of a hit as SpaceX gets going strong here, but let's see what we've got. All right, RKLB dipping, and SpaceX headed for the moon. No pun. Ooh, I'm curious. I am curious. Curious to see if this thing heads into lows, takes out lows. It's kind of settling in a little bit. So I like that it's finding a bit of it's finding a bit of a little bit of normality here. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm just peeking. According to our polls,
What's up, brother?
yo,
What's happening?
All right, guys. I don't know why I have such a delay here, but it is heavy. It is heavy. SpaceX rocking and rolling here. If you can, we're we've dipped, we've come back up, but little above pre-IPO price. IPO price a little below the recent highs. Interesting, interessante. Do we have an opportunity here for something big to happen by the end of the day, or is the 200 plus million shares already traded going to exhaust the market? What do you guys think? Are we gonna end the day above or below IPO price? I'm definitely curious. I'm definitely curious. So just watching and waiting. I don't know. Oh, I'm really bummed about this delay that we have. I wonder if I need to like stop showing my screen for a sec and then here, let's do this. Let's see how long that takes to catch up. That might be a minute. Stop sharing screen. I have stopped and I'm going to start again. Okay, what did that do for us? I'm curious. Anybody trading this? Anybody day trading this? Let's see this real quick. Who's buying? Who's buying? Okay, guys, this is pretty uneventful. I'm going to pause. I'm coming back. Stay close. Let's see where this thing goes.